Today I'm going to make whole wheat bread with atta, which is an Indian wheat flour, and I'm mixing it with a regular wheat flour bread because I don't have enough of regular wheat flour, so I'm using atta. So first and I'm using the bread machine or bread maker. First you start with the liquid. This is 1 cup of liquid, room temperature. It's very important, otherwise it's not gonna come out right. So you pour 1 cup of water, and then that's all the liquid. Then you add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then your flour. 1 cup of atta, or if you have the regular wheat flour, 1 cup of wheat flour, and 2 cups of these wheat bread flour. I don't know if I have enough. If I don't have enough, I'm gonna have to add more or substitute it with atta. So 1 cup of red wheat flour, and I don't have enough. That's about half a cup, and then I'm going to add half a cup of the atta because I don't have enough of the red wheat flour. Oh, it's messy. There you go. Then you create a hole or a well in your flour, and you add 2 teaspoons of yeast. This will make the bread rise, and it's very important you don't contact the yeast doesn't contact any liquid, otherwise it's not gonna rise. It's not gonna work when you're baking. Just so you know, this is not the traditional ingredient for wheat flour. I'm trying to make it healthy, so as you can see, I didn't add any butter or oil or sugar. But ideally, wheat bread, we need 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of sugar. And that's it. And then you